brisket. I got my barbecue shoes
Welcome
on.
to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a slow roasted garlic soup at the pit, and it's real easy to do. That's what I said. Garlic soup. This is Slasher's garlic soup. You gotta check this out, especially if you got anything of the devil going on in your life. This'll cure it. All you do is you take some bulbs of garlic, slice off the top, put on some olive oil, your favorite oil, season it if you'd like. That's optional, pitmaster privilege. And what we're gonna do is slow roast it. Now, if you've never slow roasted garlic before, you gotta check it out. This will make it creamy, soft garlic. Oh man. It's hard to describe, but for those who do this regularly, and there are a lot of you who do it, you know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna roast it. Doesn't take long, maybe 40 minutes or so. And then in the meantime, the soup calls for some prosciutto. It's a dried ham. It's an Italian dried ham. You probably know about that, right? And so what we're going to do is throw some butter in a cast iron pan, and we're going to fry it up. Oh yeah. This will make that garlic soup. Well, you just have to check it out. Now, looks like Slasher's making a bloomin' onion here, but nope, all he needs is some chopped onion. So take your 10-inch butcher, cut yourself some big slices of sweet onion, and chop them up. And we're gonna fry them. Simple. Oh, that sound, right? The sound of the fry. And trust me, this smell is getting all over the neighborhood. All right, they've been browned. Simple. So far, real easy, right? Now, we're going to need some cabbage in the soup. A little bit of cabbage. Oh, man. All right. So let's check out this slow roasted garlic. See what it looks like. Oh, that smell. Can you smell that smell? The smell that gets around you. Oh, good. It smells like slow roasted garlic. It's been creamified. All right, so you let it cool down a little bit, otherwise it'll be too hot to handle. And all you do is grab a bulb and squeeze into, in this case, we're going to use one of those fancy ass chopolators. Electricity's good, right? Get those bulbs in there, and now our grilled onions. And then here, Slasher's got some red pepper flakes. All right. This is a very sweet soup. Adding a little heat just makes it just fine. Now, some beef broth. Yeah. Not going to pour it to the top. Well, read the instructions of these fancy-ass chocolators. All right. Give it a spin. Man, that was long. All right. Quick and easy. Why we love electricity. All right, let's put this together. We're going to pour some more beef broth into a pan. And in goes our garlic slurry. Oh, you got to be kidding. Now some pecorino cheese. That's a grated cheese. In goes, say, a couple of cups of shredded cabbage. I told you it'd be easy to do. Man, all right. Add some more beef broth. Perfect. All right, now, we're gonna warm it up. Get all those flavors to gel. Simple. Oh man, can you smell that? It doesn't take long, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Now, here's the magic. we got some heavy cream. Cup of heavy cream. Now you don't want to boil it, right? We're shutting off the heat. Give it a mix. And it's ready. Oh, watch this. Nothing like garlic soup, man. This is magic food. Are you kidding me? This is an outrageous soup.
Oh, just smell it, man. Just amazing.
Perfect for those times you want to spend some time alone, right? Yeah. Oh, in goes the prosciutto. Lord have mercy. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. So remember this. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQ Pit Boys.com. Like.